How to create this really easy but fabulous and glam candle holder. Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by. Today I just wanted to share a really quick and easy glam DIY that I hope you will love. I needed a candle holder for my bar cart in the breakfast area. I wanted to illuminate that area a little bit. I couldn't find a table lamp I liked, so I decided to create my own candle holder. It is really kind of unique and different. Not sure if you'll approve, but I love it. So what I did is I gathered up some rocks out of my garden, those flower bed rocks that you can purchase at Home Depot or Lowe's. And I made sure that most of them were rather flat on the top, but they still are all different. Some are thick, some are thinner. And I just wanted to make sure that I could assemble it. What you see me using here is the Gorilla Construction adhesive. And I chose this adhesive to ensure that the rocks have a really strong hold and wouldn't fall apart rather than glue. Before I applied the adhesive though, I arranged them to see what would be the best fit and then laid them in that order on the table. I made sure that the top and bottom rocks especially were extremely flat, and then I balanced the in-between rocks as best as possible to make sure that this piece could stand on its own. I let the rocks dry overnight, and then I used the Rust-Oleum Gold Metallic Spray Paint to give it a beautiful finish. I let the paint dry, which really didn't take very long at all, and then I used one of Dollar Tree's wooden cubes and wrapped some mirror tiles around it. This will create a nice flat surface for our candle holder to sit on and adds a little glam and a little bit of a separation. I used Gorilla Glue to glue the wooden block to the stone. I made sure that everything was level, and I did end up putting a little bit of hot glue underneath the cube to make sure it's level. I purchased this glass plate from Hobby Lobby. It was $3.99. It wasn't on sale, but I wanted to go ahead and finish this project, so I purchased it anyway. Then I used some hot glue and mounted the glass plate on top of the wooden cube. This is what it looks like so far. Now I wanted to put something at the bottom, and I bought this mirrored riser from At Home. It was $5.99 at the time of purchase. It is now $7.99, but I had it on hand. If you want to use something a little bit more budget friendly, you could just decorate a box from Dollar Tree. Then I eyeballed the center of the riser and put some hot glue down so I could mount the rocks on here. I didn't want it to be super permanent in case I wanted to use the riser for something else later. That's why I chose the hot glue, and it had a really firm hold. Now let's see what it looks like styled on my bar cart. I am in love with it. I think it is absolutely beautiful, glam, and so different and unique. But what do you guys think? Is this something that you would recreate? I would love to hear from you. I love reading the comments and get your feedback. Anyway, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget the bell. Something I always missed before and never knew when somebody uploaded. Anyway, have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.